What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Somebody's forgotten how to vlog in their life.
Yep.
But we're back.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Build-A-Bear.
Why?
Because I got a free accessory paper and I got $5.
Shoot.
And Lincoln.
She does. She's bringing Abe with us. So that's what we're doing. Then we're gonna get some din-dins. It's gonna be good.
Din.
So we're here at Build-A-Bear and April's trying to pick out some stuff, but I think she should look in this section here. Right?
April,
Yeah?
you could match Mackenzie. You have the same outfit.
Look, you could look just like this guy.
Or this squirrel.
I think this one's pretty good up here.
You would.
Right?
Pretty
That's
cute.
what I would pick.
With the little lightsabers.
Yeah, look at
I
that.
got it.
Lightsabers, Ninja Turtle swords,
Burn.
some nunchucks.
Like,
Oh, nice. It's very cool.
oh, here you go, April. LA Kings. That's perfect. Our awkward dance team didn't make
not
it.
cheap. 30.
Yeah, but Jay's team made it.
Okay,
I meant on the wall.
Save all my money for
Oh.
My team didn't make it either, but they're on the wall.
True.
Ready?
So we just left the mall. What did you get, April?
I got her a fairy costume
Nice.
with bows.
It's very cute.
And she has her necklace.
Cool.
Shelly made it.
Yeah. Nice. So where are we going for dinner?
Olive Garden. I hear they have some pretty good garlic bread sandwiches.
Where'd you hear that?
Shelly.
Oh.
What really happened is she read it in an email.
Texas. I saw Texas. I have 4 points.
I have 0 points.
It's my
I
car.
have 1.
What are you doing over there?
Eating a lemon.
So we just finished with dinner, and now we're on a bike ride. Yeah. April's got her bear taped in. Shelly's over there. I'm winning the race.
Oh, are you racing yourself?
I am racing myself.
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm in the lead. So today is going to be a short little vlog. I know I've missed a couple days here and there. We've had a lot going on, and I can't really tell you why right now, but it should be pretty exciting when I tell you what we've been up to. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.